Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be talking about tuberose. If you're a garden full of sweet floral scented blossoms, then you must simply plant tuberose. And this tuberose plant flowers all over the year. After flowering, remove the leaves from the plant and then sun dry the tuberose. Then preserve it for the next season. Many of you want to know that what is the planting time. It's the early spring to April. So in today's video, my mom will show you how from the previous year's bulbs we can plant new plants. Here my mom has separated some small pieces of these bulbs. Then she removed some unwanted dry leaves and did a little bit of root pruning. And while you're planting, make sure to plant it in such an area where it gets full day sunlight. Also make sure that the soil is always well-drained soil. Now how do we plant them? First I'll tell you how you can plant in a container. First my mom will show you how you have to prepare the soil. Earlier in this video only we mentioned that this plant needs well-drained fertile soil. So for the soil composure, my mom is adding garden soil, river sand and kitchen waste compost. And for a nitrogen-rich soil, she is also adding tea leaf compost. Mix it well. Now let me tell you how you can prepare a container. Here my mom is using a 6 inches container. You can use a container up to 6 to 12 inches. Did you notice the containers have very big drainage holes at the bottom? This is to not let the plant have any kind of water logging. And in the bottom part of the container, she filled it with pebbles. Next, make sure to dig some holes to insert the plant bulb. As the container is small, she is planting the bulbs this way. But if you're using a 12 inches pot, make sure to place the bulbs 2 to 3 inches apart. Next, after you're planted, make sure to follow these simple steps. First is that you have to water regularly. Second is that make sure that you give your plant unbalanced fertilizer. Because this plant is a heavy eater. Also try to give this plant manure as it is the best for your plant's health. Next is that you have to remove the dry foliage of your plant. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.